Caliber Freelancers is a platform that connects businesses and individuals with skilled freelancers from various fields such as writing, graphic design, programming, and marketing. As a freelancer, you can join Caliber Freelancers to offer your services and earn money by working on projects from clients around the world. In this step-by-step guide, I will outline how you can make money online with Caliber Freelancers in 2024 for beginners. Step 1. Create an account. Visit the Caliber Freelancers website, www.caliberfreelancers.com, and create an account by providing your basic information, such as your name, email address, and creating a password. Step 2. Complete your profile. Fill out your profile with relevant information about your skills, experience, education, and any other details that showcase your expertise. A well-rounded profile will help clients find and trust you for their projects. Step 3. Choose your services. Select the services you offer, such as writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing. You can choose multiple services if you have expertise in different areas. Step 4. Set your rates. Research the market rates for your services and set competitive hourly or fixed rates. Be sure to consider your experience, skills, and the time you'll invest in each project. Step 5. Create a compelling portfolio. Showcase your previous work and skills by creating a portfolio. This will help clients understand your capabilities and decide whether to hire you for their projects. Step 6. Apply for jobs. Browse through the available projects on the platform and apply for those that match your skills and experience. Be sure to submit a tailored proposal that highlights your understanding of the project requirements and showcases your ability to deliver quality work. Step 7. Communicate effectively. Once you've been hired for a project, maintain clear and consistent communication with your client. Keep them updated on your progress, address their concerns, and be open to feedback to ensure a successful project completion. Step 8. Deliver high-quality work. Meet or exceed the project requirements, and deliver work that meets the client's expectations. This will help you build a positive reputation and increase your chances of receiving more projects and positive reviews. Step 9. Request and manage feedback. After completing a project, ask your client for feedback on your performance. Respond to any constructive criticism and use it to improve your skills. Positive feedback can help attract more clients and increase your chances of being hired for future projects. Step 10. Network and market yourself. Engage with the Caliber Freelancers community, participate in discussions, and offer your expertise to others. This will help you build connections and increase your visibility on the platform. You can also promote your services on social media platforms and through personal networks to attract more clients. By following these steps, you can make online with Caliber Freelancers in 2024 and establish a successful freelance career.